This is not just a motorhome. This is a rolling spaceship. Meet the Eura Mobil Ti 700 EB Limited Edition. And trust me, this thing looks like it just landed from the future. From the moment you see it, the design hits different. Sharp LED headlights, sleek aerodynamic body, premium metallic finish. It doesn't look like a camper. It looks like a luxury spacecraft built for the open road. And today, we're stepping inside to see if it's really as fantastic as it looks. But wait until you see the bedroom setup, because that's where things get crazy. Let's start from the outside. The Eura Mobil Ti 700 EB Limited Edition stands out instantly. Built on a reliable European chassis, this motorhome combines power with elegance. The side profile is smooth and modern, with stylish graphics that make it feel exclusive, because it is. This is a limited edition model. That means upgraded finishes, premium detailing, and special design touches you don't get in the standard version. The storage compartments? Massive. You've got deep exterior lockers for chairs, tools, camping gear, even longer road trip essentials. And the awning setup? Perfect for outdoor lounging. Imagine parking this by a lake or along a mountain road in the US, setting up chairs outside and watching the sunset. Now let's step inside, and this is where the spaceship feeling really begins. As soon as you enter, you're greeted with a bright, modern interior. The lighting is soft but futuristic. LED strips run across the ceiling, giving it that ambient glow, almost like cabin lighting inside a private jet. The seating area is spacious and smartly designed. Rotating captain's chairs in the front turn the driving cockpit into part of the living space. The dinette feels open, not cramped. And the materials? Premium upholstery, high-quality cabinetry, soft closed drawers. Everything feels solid, no cheap RV vibes here. The kitchen is surprisingly impressive. You get a sleek countertop with a built-in sink and stove. There's enough prep space to actually cook proper meals, not just snacks. The storage above and below is well organized, and the refrigerator is large enough for long trips. Imagine doing a full cross-country road trip and not needing to rely on fast food stops. But here's where things get interesting. Halfway through this motorhome, you reach the bathroom area, and it's not tiny. You get a separate shower cabin, yes, separate, meaning no cramped wet bath situation. The toilet and sink area are modern, clean, and practical. For a motorhome, this is impressive space management. Now let's talk about the bedroom, because this is where the Eura Mobil Ti 700 EB Limited Edition truly feels like a luxury spacecraft. At the rear, you get twin beds, spacious, comfortable, and elevated. The mattresses look thick and supportive. Overhead cabinets give you storage without making the space feel tight. And the lighting again? Soft, ambient glow, reading lights, modern design lines. It feels more like a boutique hotel room than a camper. And here's the best part. Some configurations allow you to convert the twin beds into one massive sleeping area. So whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or even with family, flexibility is built in. Now let's talk driving experience. This motorhome isn't just about looks. Under the hood, you're getting reliable European engineering, smooth ride, stable handling, and enough power to cruise highways comfortably. For long American road trips, from California highways to mountain passes, this kind of comfort makes a difference. And since it's not oversized like a bus-style RV, it's easier to maneuver and park compared to massive Class A motorhomes. Fuel efficiency? Better than the giants. Comfort? Way above average. Style? Absolutely futuristic. But here's the real question. Is it actually worth it? If you're someone who wants a motorhome that feels modern, exclusive, and high-end, this limited edition makes sense. You're not just buying a vehicle, you're buying a lifestyle. Weekend escapes, national park adventures, cross-country freedom, working remotely from anywhere. And honestly, it looks cooler than most RVs on the road. This isn't the typical boxy camper look. This feels next generation. So imagine pulling up to a campsite in this. Heads will turn, people will ask questions, and you'll be sitting inside your rolling spaceship enjoying premium comfort. Now, I want to know something. Would you travel across America in this futuristic motorhome, or would you choose a massive luxury bus-style RV? Comment below. I read every comment. If you love motorhomes, luxury RV tours, and futuristic campers like this one, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications because we're just getting started. This is not just a motorhome. This is the Eura Mobil Ti 700 EB Limited Edition, and it might just be the closest